Welcome to the build chain. Today I will be showing you how to submit a quote. This is where you can access the inquiry page. Here, you will be able to see all the inquiries that fit your criteria, which consists of product offering, product type, and site location. Highlighted in green is a preferred merchant. The quotes not highlighted are merchants that you do not have an account with. Find an inquiry and press quote. At the top of the page is the original inquiry. Below is where your quote will display when submitted. By clicking the quote button, a pop-up box appears. Here, you can input your own documents. These could be PDF quotes, trade account terms, or insurance documents. Then, detail the total price of the quote. You have an opportunity to add comments. This could be a breakdown of the full quote, or it could simply be detailing delivery fees or lead times. The offers section is an opportunity to discount the quote or upsell. When you submit your quote, it is logged under the inquiry and the contractor is notified. Now the quote is submitted, you have further options available. There is a supplier invoice number box. If your quote is successful, you can include the invoice number here for compliance, and it informs the contractor for their record keeping. Also, there is a live chat option, which is a direct channel of communication to the individual behind the contractor account. This is a useful feature as this allows all correspondence to be stored. Therefore, you have an opportunity to introduce governance into your process without any intrusive or obstructive measures. An additional feature, which is editable in account settings, is your supplier brand page. By clicking your business name, you can access your brand page, which details information such as company logo, number of locations, head office address, phone number, customer service contact, and business description.